no yenti video way if you free video no buy ya then we are going direct into the core of the day.
Campaign on the one district, one factory.
Okay.
That will be private sector led. And government was Chief Masrao, Prof. Yeah, tolerate the flow. Aye. We said that will be private sector led. Government will be incentivized private sector in our manifesto.
Yeah.
That's what we said.
Yeah.
When they came into when we won the election, what kind of villages, what kind of factory now ban also the baby and answer that one. Was it in our manifesto that we're going to put a factory in everywhere by government? But they said it.
So you are also just saying,
Chief, I wrote.
Prof, Mr. What?
So don't come tell me no new manifesto. We had Okujeto Ablakwa, the foreign minister today. Also 24-hour economy or channel basically airport to every district region and say for let's for Kwachi for Minister for Government Communication and say one national chairman and say. But I'm saying that you formal document now okay. You committed that one of the key pillars of 24-hour economy is the public service, security service. What does it mean? We're run the 3 shifts. If you have 100,000
security force.
Thank you. Even assuming that you have 100,000 it is a legitimate expectation of you that forms the run the 3 shifts increase the capacity by 3.
So numbers maybe will say the numbers for enlistment increase this time because number dream because of the 3 shifts need to know. About me employ about better 300,000. One must one so increasing threshold from 25 to 35, which then afforded a lot more people into the bracket
and to apply. Then you turn around and say, oh, IMF conditions to move for more than 5,000. And down there was the president taking share security couples. More direct they want for 10,000. 10,000 on a breach of the IMF conditions. In any event, when you want the first in the IMF conditions or
but what they 20 or 24 hours.
On starting,
so it's a more share the inset.
And you want to work at the DVL was start now. What can the DVL or passing low way and the DVL was start? And you want to work at and you want to work at on the Tamaport where 24 hours was start. I don't know who do that. So if you tell me that on start here, what do you mean? You yourself, what do you mean? They lied.
NDC.
Capital LIED deceived the youth of this country. Promises are body. So if you promise to expand the public service and run 3 shifts, why are you coming to complain about the size of the wage bill? Is the question. Why are you complaining?
Yes, Abusian for me, Mamunina Aquaba Beam. A fee and I had the Ankasa. Yeah, editorial of the day, Ebebro. Me body ma. Yenina Yakai, sa adie way, I, Cecilia me, editor way, sa adie way. Despite President Mahama promised to cancel it, 2026 Ghana teacher licensure exams is set to begin on the 24th of March, 2026. Mami insisu biem. The wo ho ayatwere nyina ne se Yewura John Darega Dramani Mahama e promise se so ba be di Ghana konwa enso hwe a Ghana fo ma omo akọ school or training college omo awie teacher training college omo awie nso hwe omo twere a e kire se apart from so omo asua de no omo won tete a omo betumi di a kire nkura de no Yewura Mahama kan se obetwam during the campaign time. But no dear no. The abeto abontre say ya to price num and moreover no ya set say on the 24th of this March. Teacher trainees ni nyina all more we no they have to go for the teaching at the teacher licensure exams. Now, hey, me before I begin with my talk, me I'll say Anthony Mwakwaba. Answer mesha si ankasa na makama asem. Ba men kama asem we biem. Same jasi me Mwakwaba. Se wo wefo nsa na wahwe wo de. Na me toaso. Me same jasi I wonder why I see don't get lied and talked about the number of security recruitment and how the NDC blind supporters were laughing. Well, NDC for no more problem. Omo ne hawo. Sankro for no. Me say they have no broken heart in their life. Broken heart e bin chiwo. Enti NDC betumi aye omo de omo pe bia. They still belong to the NDC. Omo nti say MPP for a ye near bie ye near frinti ye reason ade bi nkoyi ana ya twe ho an edina nche no. NDC for nim sa. Almost say under the rain, under the sun, under the tender, everything. NDC supporter is still NDC supporter. And Faho, any they are buying no, editiano. Young Kosuna Yankasa Kakra. As is out to opposition one. That's one Susu and Kasa. Oba by more. It becomes difficult. It becomes difficult to what? To enjoy the power that you fought for. In fact, this is why I'm very happy to be MPP member. And let's say parliament, the minority leader and the minority MPs, MPP for Mokasa wa Bontani or Mokasa or parliament or Mokasa or radio sunyana. We are not promising, but actually we are collecting the government. Because too much of promises, especially when you know, say, the promise you are given, because assembly anyway, Mahama Kaya, na onim said the nisu and then a buy a tier, so to me more. Because Seura Mahama were the president to pay. And Seura Mahama knew everything about leadership as a president. In the traditional answer culture, your friend in Ghana culture. And the assembly Seura Mahama Kaya, we must to hold him accountable because he was already a former president when he was spoken. And now name the implications. Now name the consequences of whatever he was saying. John Mahama was completely conscious on anything that he said. On you be only president, then I guess that be only president, then no only president, then maybe he overtook or he over promised because he never knew how he can implement those things. But that is not the case of John Darega. Darega has been in commander-in-chief of Ghana Armed Forces, Spain. John Darega has been the first gentleman of the land, Spain. John Darega has been the man who can command the finance minister, Spain. John Darega has been a man who could command the Ministry of Education, Spain. So anything John Mahama said, no, don't spare him. Man fan spare no. He was aware of everything. So if Mahama told you in opposition, say, teacher licensure exams, oba no betwem. Na oba ye ontumi ntwamu na mbom ne bo no na odisika ne bia ka ho a fatu tim se o sheda kata na ni se o dadaw a teacher for na mom na wo teacher ni o wako training college awie abodina ye de mawa e kire se wako school na wo sanso onim de se odi be kire nkura de no utumi tena ho teacher ni o utumi tena ho Emma, a desperate politician like John Darega Dramani Mahama. To me, but that can't you say, sa certificate, no. It me ma wa kwanya ma uchra de wo wiase amansam mu oman bia so no. Oba o ma wo ntwere biem. Oso uji tomu, say that is the best way to go. Temi yo, and say me na teacher for ne wo. Because in Bible video so achrew am watie. When John Mahama was promising the teacher, say he was going to cancel the teacher licensure exams, no. The teachers, the training college students are no more honor. Now more bomb munsam. A teacher for brim no more bomb munsam. So my question is, how can you sit there and allow yourself to be fooled? I can say to be fooled by John Darega. For what reason? Abra ye teacher ni. Abra wa quote training college where you can it is a level of tertiary institution. And it is a wako university. And think uni mo here nkenye ne all right. Any your duty. So before you can become a teacher, you must to have an habilitation, certified habilitation. Actually, say you can teach people because knowing and teaching are not the same thing. But teachers, so a teacher for it to me transfer papa we yanim e mani din tro chrewo, but they accepted that lies and they went out massively to vote against MPP Abai. Ene da hoyi papa ne da mo tena asida na mo ho educated fools a mo ma papa ne da mo agi mutumi free mo nsam wiye no obaye no osisade no ontumi ntwamu biem ema ne yeye. You have to do it. Na mokora mo na munyankopon asese wantwam because enko twamu a enka you have no certificate ya. But my question is, how can a tertiary institution graduate sit down and allow himself for another tertiary institution a graduate, John Mahama, et me nim edintro ebuni kwasia ese na dwene ema no so gyetum say no kore papa na se mo kan obeye manaye ye. On which basis? But there is another thing that I want to say I thank God for. Said this time around, we have video evidences to support anything that we are going to talk about. Any promise and faith be a we have a video of when they promised it, and we have a video on how when they told us to say they cannot do it. Now there me and say enkrofo we na after over promising no odi omoko say omo mra mehwe enkwase promise omo ma ye omo ntumi emforfede a, then they will come back and tell you say ye nokore ye omo no mo kan ye. Some people will tell you, say, Mahama ne kanye, but any manifesto. So, what does it mean? The leader of the opposition, or no amount for her and a sokoto aba, ekojina platform so na or promise the common citizen of something. Na oba abaimu no want to me and yena ubisa. Yes, the oka and fine yasem, namum the wo manifesto, and I day fire asem. How can these people be so? You can say, they are much intelligent than us. And this is for you say Ghana for you na yemwa. Say wo panyansa for mo man no mu a omo ye ndisi for. Mpan for. Enkrofo a citizens na aka ni nyina according to the NDC. Ye nimu nyansa enti asem bi ombeka bia no ye fa no ye menegu ye yam na ya giatu. We don't challenge, we don't debate, and we move on. This is what the NDC tell me to tell you. Nankentisa, how can the main opposition leader step on a campaign platform, promise of something, and after being elected as the president, come out and tell you, say, there be Sadiano, you have to write it. Now, Obien can wasem. And the teacher for now, sa promise ne de ma amokoto abano. Can't you feel frustrated? Can't you feel to be deceived by a leader? Can't you feel say you have been actually deceived by your president? Mum feel sir. Now, Abusianti, I want you to listen to this video very well. When John Mahama was talking about why he was going to cancel the teachers' licensure exams.
Natural final exam. No more passing. You pass here, you are just on my teacher for no. No, as Waka say, almost I'm natural exam, Bibio, and son of my Joma to be some teacher for. Ezu, ain't you there? See about licensure exam, no, you be here free.
A few moments later.
And NDC never promised to cancel licensure exams.
Hey! What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
But what in a year? Ebiana one thing a year. I some more video on Trojan some more video on Trojan. After listening to the video, let's play it again. Listen to John Darega.
Yeah, no natural final exam. No more passing. You pass here, you are just on my teacher for no. No, as Waka say, almost I'm natural exam, Bibio, and son of my Joma to be some teacher for. Ezu, ain't you there? See about licensure exam, no, you be here free.
Entity Yewra John Mahama ene kana sem se ono de se obano babedi president emagana manya. What he's going to do when he say he is going to cancel the teachers licensure exams. But ene ya fixed date ama teacher teachers licensure exams, which is on the 24th of March 2026. Yet the same way call parliament to say, and this ya buying any crop for Muyen contompo for moon nino crench or my mano. I didn't hear mugu a manual for any massessa egu a manuals for any masse editre or my manner. NDC majority leader was able to come out and tell Ghanaians, say, Omu NDC for no, they never and ever promise of cancelling teacher licensure exams.
Mr. Speaker, NDC never promised to cancel licensure exams. We promised to incorporate it into the general examination system of the colleges. That's what we promised. And what we are doing today is fulfilling exactly what we promised to do.
Flashback.
We shall reintroduce automatic posting of teachers. And we shall scrap the teacher licensure exams.
Pacho, Yewura, na sa papo ye frene Mahama Yarega de minim. Mimia say Ghanaians should be smart enough to reject Mahama propaganda, lies, and never to take his comments very serious again. But I'm saying it's late too. John Darega will not come back to contest anymore. What he can do, he has done it. That is by deceiving Ghanaians to the bone. He has been able to achieve that. He has been able to achieve by deceiving Ghanaians 100%. Mia, she video no na comment emame na yenko yanim. I like video no ka ho so na yenko yanim. Pacho tie me pa. President ne ka asem fufuro. The majority leader in parliament is lying too. Just ye koye anase ye baye. Why na was he taking it serious? And nipa why na was he taking it serious in this government? Because every one of them knows how to lie where. Omunyira, omuyen kontompo for to the level say these guys they can convince somebody say a body man a woo wong a body man and yen saying ye omono no muda bama ni yefunum and I ye woo body man a woo wong and this he can campaign and this he can lie and this he can cook that into the minds of the vulnerable people because John Mahama said they are going to scrap as it say ye be we are coming to eliminate it completely. But listen to what the minority leader said. The minority leader is now telling me, say, they never and nowhere, and then this for country Ghana for say they are coming to scrap the what them call the teacher licensure exams. This is a completely what we call disgrace. A disgrace, Cassia, even the political class of the country. Say amanyo fobinum etimikata wanani edi ntro pele entro kesie a entise. Now you just want to walk free without not cautioning them. But this way of doing of this political party called NDC, you know, I am very worried. Me banana a queer afro papa be more papa. I want to say. When him say yes, not don't know pa over bio. And throw away na nkrofo we yet asem we na nkrofo we no what they are doing I be abeta bonten say everything was just lies no and very important say ye be nemu na ye shame those who promised and those who are lying because ya nyene saa enipa no ewure be free amanyofo emu say amamba no so omure free amanyofo no omumu a na say we are going back to the gun military governance na ebesen akọ but enam say yem penisanti no e wo say yen kyerɛkyerɛm na ema Ghana fo hu say enya amanyofo nyina e na omote sɛ saa nkrɔfo wei na mbom no ɛyɛ saa nkrɔfo wei a omoyɛ NDC fo PNDC fo eyomo na omusu ni omo ban eti sei na nye nne na omo hye ase omo di fritete ana omo di ntro e de kire Ghana fo e wo se yentumi na emu omo na yenhye emu omo into in the society na meda ho kre se eye nkrofo we no PNDC fo eyomo na omusu na omo ban no eye nkontompo ne nabraba ye ka bi egu so ye se wudin ye di ntro ye twa nkontompo de abepetumi se ya nyane sa magana fo ne youth na ante omo ho ase a the people will lose hope in the political class, and when they lose hope in the political class, the consequences can be war or coup d'etat in the country. So we must expose them. We must showcase how dishonest NDC lead government is. We must expose how dishonest, how untrustful the NDC was before in government and is today in government. Said Yebeya, yet me restore trust in the people of the country, in the what them call concerning the political class in the country. Because yes, sir, politicians in the country are losing trust because of kwanya ibinum tumika top money din throw edipe to me. That is what we are doing. And we keep on doing that. We keep on naming and shaming them until the people who understand the difference between the so-called socialist wine and that of the party that does a lot to it is about mine. Nima minister kebari mame mwakwaba. Tiemi yepa. Amanyo semno. Mede me hu ne se ye woniema bi wo ho a wutumi de ye amanyo semma ne ye. Ena ye woniema bi no mo ho a omo ye standard a they must to be in this way. You don't have to use them for political power. Because who use man for political power, even if you are being given the power, you cannot enjoy the power in peace. You have a lot of questions to answer. Ability said this certificate called the teacher licensure exams. Why should you use a process of what them call a particular administration process as a campaign message? Away achievement ben and a woman say waba now see a teacher for more monko exams. Now we use you as a campaign message. A bit to say Mahama the presidential convoy. Hey, example. That was part of his campaign message. Presidential convoy. Enye Ghana nkwana aban koba bi akasi ahodo di nachi. Everywhere that you go in this world, when the president is coming, every road is blocked. Lot of vehicles surround him. And enye message some fanye campaign. Because all by your president, won't to mean bicycle some fan anti kurumani ye. You need a convoy that will also even protect you from your enemies. But because of desperation of power and tea, Yewura Mahama to me jina hodina no kasafa even the convoy upon you so. Now, yemfa teacher last year exams and to now let's talk about the convoy upon Edinantie when he's in power. Listen to what John Dariga said, and now I will show you a video that nothing has changed since when he became the president of the republic.
Can cast costs. One is the size of government. A big contributor to the excessive public expenditure is the sheer size of government.
A few moments later.
Bajotio, Yewura Mahama say, I don't know, believe you say, when you are buying faso expended sika in terms of a buying ankasa ne hoka, a buying ankasa ne management, a buying ankasa Jubilee House, no, how kwa faso omuyo musika sem. Hey, one of the key factor and I'm so Ghana buying a boka. And you know about betiso. Now, a bayo one ayo say. Maybe video de trama bacho. Say, and no money muhenti. Yewura Mahama say, what 50 ministers so, abba 60. But later I will play a video to you. ya packing nkrofo go Jubilee House or ye ti omo kate se ministers a omo nyehwe. Ya packing nkrofo a omo ye deputy chief of staff, deputy media personnel to the president, deputy first aid. Omo asisa nkrofo go Jubilee House or ye ti omo ka akatua na ye di ti omo services a ye provide them omo. Okamboma, a sustain the minister. I will come there later and I will show you videos of those appointments. Now there was one TB. Everything that Mahama promised in opposition has turned to be a real. It has turned to be a real organization of crime. A real way of deceiving his own people.